Wanna know how to switch game modes in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io application. And now once you have done that, here you should be with this screen right here. And now once you're onto this screen, you need to make sure to know that there are only two game modes you can change from, that is ranked and unranked. So right here, right above play on the bottom right side, you should be seeing unranked or ranked. You can just simply select any one of these, and here you should be seeing your ranked on top as well with your best score, and you can just simply select play right here, and that's it, you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.